Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel 1-2 Steps. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to change Grammarly email in few seconds. So it's very easy. First of all, you need to go to any browser you want. So here I'm going to Chrome browser, and in the search bar, you just need to search for grammarly.com. So this is the page that comes in front of you when you search for grammarly.com. So here I have already logged into Grammarly. So now to change your email in this account, you just need to go to account, which is in the left side of the screen. So here you can see account settings. So in the account settings, you can see profile. So here is my name, email and password. So to update the password, you just need to click on this blue update. Just click on this. Now here you need to write new email address. So for security, please confirm your password. So you need to write your password of your Gmail account. Just write your password and just click on this update. So they will just send you a notification in this email. So go and check in on the Gmail. So here in the top, there is an email from Grammarly. Just confirm, change and keep your password here. So now you land to Grammarly page again. Just go to your account and you have updated your email on Grammarly. So in this way, you can just change email in Grammarly. Thanks for watching the video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel and do not forget to hit the like button. Thank you.